showtime.
Hey friends! Welcome back to Quiz Slice! The Bad Guys 2 is out now. So today's game has 2 adorable rounds. Round 1, let's see how the Bad Guys 2 crew would look like as a real-life animal. Then, can you guess who they are? Just by their voices? Ready to play? All right then, let's get started. Round 1, the Bad Guys 2 characters in real life. Kitty. Kitty cat in real life. Wolf. Wolf in real life. Diane. Diane in real life. Piranha. Piranha in real life. Snake. Snake in real life. Tarantula. Tarantula in real life. Shark. Shark in real life. Marmalade. Marmalade in real life. Doom. Doom in real life. Pigtail. Pigtail in real life. Well then, ready for round 2? Let's guess the character by their voice. First up, who's speaking here?
Yourselves. Me? Oh, terrific.
Nice catch, Mr. Wolf.
Yourselves. Me? Oh, terrific. Fantastic.
Who's got that sassy tone?
Nice ring to it, I guess. But you can call me.
Absolutely. Kitty cat. So cool, right?
Nice ring to it, I guess. But you can call me.
Would you rather join Mr. Wolf's clever crew or team up with Kitty Cat's stylish squad? All right, make your pick. Hit like if you're rolling with Mr. Wolf. Smash subscribe if Kitty Cat's your vibe. And hey, don't forget to drop a comment to settle the score. Which team is stronger? Okay, back to challenge. Who said this?
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Nailed it! Diane, calm, clever, and classy.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Who could this be?
Do you always drive like this? Punch it. I haven't.
You got it. Tarantula.
Do you always drive like this? Punch it. I have an idea.
Who's behind this voice?
Bro, I don't know.
Woohoo! Mr. Shark.
Bro, I don't know. I panicked.
All right, find the odd one out challenge. Which one doesn't belong in this sneaky squad? Yep, the odd is here. Any idea who this is?
No, maybe. Sorry, nerves.
Doom, Mr. Piranha.
No, maybe? Sorry, nerves.
It hasn't been easy with
Which character is this?
muscle.
I'm late for vinyasa. Vinyasa? You think I got this body by sitting around?
That's Mr. Snake. You're on fire.
I'm late for vinyasa. Vinyasa? You think I got this body by sitting around watching TV?
Who's that speaking?
Professionals, with a specific set of skills.
Nice catch, Doom.
Professionals, with a specific set of skills.
One.
Would you rather ship Mr. Wolf and Diane or go with Snake and Doom? Tough choice, right? Let us know your pick by commenting below and tell us which couple you're rooting for. Look closely. Something's not quite right. Yep. Here are 3 differences. Did you spot all 3? Listen closely.
I'm very hands-on, especially when someone...
Right on, Diane.
I'm very hands-on, especially when someone tries to frame...
Recognize that tone?
Step aside before anger becomes punch.
Yeah, that's Pigtail.
Step aside before anger becomes punch.
Which character is this?
Prego, cappuccino, extra grande.
Okay, that's Mr. Shark.
Prego, cappuccino, extra grande.
Any idea?
I know, right? Today was arm day. That's why I'm looking extras.
You crushed it. Professor Marmalade. He became more dangerous.
I know, right? Today was arm day. That's why I'm looking extra swole.
Which character just yelled like that?
Keeping my eye on you, Doc.
What was that?
I panicked, okay?
Yep, that's Chief.
My eye on you, Doc.
What was that?
I panicked, okay? I'm a panic.
Can you hear who it is?
Titanium triple spring release. I've missed you, my old friend.
Awesome, that's Mr. Snake again.
Titanium triple spring release. I've missed you, my old friend.
Final one, who's this?
Just, untie us and we'll let ourselves out and we can just call it a no-chair.
Great finish, Mr. Wolf. Lovable till the end.
Untie us and we'll let ourselves out and we can just call it a no-chair, okay?
All right, that's a wrap on today's quiz. We hope you had as much fun as we did. Now, before you go, rate the movie The Bad Guys 2.
Showtime.
What do you think? Let us know your answer in the comments. And that's a wrap on today's quiz. How many did you guess right? Don't forget to like if you had fun and subscribe for more awesome challenges. See you next time on Quiz Slice. Bye.